What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to be finally starting on the rust removal of the Mustang, but this time around I'm going to be using this. I'll tell you guys all about it after I do the video because I got a late start in the day and the sun is about to go down. So hopefully I could get this done before the sun goes down. So let's get started. We're inside the Mustang and look at how much it rusted over. This is only surface rust for now, but whenever you're working with metal that's bare, make sure to put a coating over it because it will rust over very quickly. I'm going to be using this mud pan as a container for the citrus strip, and I'm going to be applying it with a paintbrush. So I'm going to start it off from this wall, and I'll probably start off right here too. And I'll see how far I can get. Cool. This citrus strip is a lot thicker than I thought. It's more viscous and makes it a little bit easier to spread it on because it's a little bit slimy. One method of doing this is to use a trash bag and cover the areas that you've already covered with the citrus strip. And I guess the cleanup is a little bit easier if you do that. So I'm going to be doing that right now. So I'm halfway done, and this smell isn't too bad, but some people I feel like it might make you a little bit dizzy. It kind of has a citrus scent, hence the name citrus strip, but I'm pretty much halfway there. I'm just going to do this much, and I'm going to leave the trunk and the wheel well as it is. Then I'm going to see how it works on the floor pan. So I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll show you guys the results. Alright, I finally finished covering the whole floor pan with the citrus strip and trash bags. I know it looks really messy. Hopefully this works out because this is my first time doing this. I was just looking up YouTube videos of how to do this. I came across a YouTube channel where they use trash bags to do this. This job took about 30 minutes to an hour. I know I probably didn't make it look as neat as I could have, but it's my first time doing this and it took about a bottle's worth. If you guys do plan on doing the other parts of your car, I might actually do it up top and definitely in the trunk. You're going to need at least 2 bottles. This week I got a really late start on the video, so it did get really dark. Yeah. This was my first time doing this sort of job, and I'm not sure how well I did it, but if it goes well, you guys will see next week. This first step of taking all of the bed liner off is actually starting the actual work on the Mustang. I've always been putting it off because I am scared of starting on the Mustang because it's such a huge project, but here we go. So tomorrow I'm going to be filming next week's video, and then you'll be able to see what happened to the Mustang. I might update some photos on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check it out, it's _jeff.song. So don't forget to check me out, and don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later!